you to God for this beautiful day. It has been a long journey for me to be in this position. My dream came true to be part of Putri Indonesia family. As you guys know, I tried to join this pageant last year in West Java and I didn't make it. But then, I didn't give up. I tried one more time this year and I made it to top 3. Thanks God, I'm a princess. But my journey hasn't over yet. My new journey will start in Miss Supranational 2019. So, before I go, I would like to thank you to Yayasan Putri Indonesia, Ibu Putri, Ibu Kusuma Dewi, Pamega Angkasa, my family, all Kakak Chaperons, my gorgeous teams, all caretakers of AIDS commissions, and of course, pageant lovers Indonesia. Back in Miss Supranational 2019. So please keep giving me your support. And last, I have one message for you guys, especially to my loving children right there. Please don't ever give up to reach your dream, because there will always hope for everybody who believe in you. I'm Jessica Fitriana Martasari and I'm your Miss Supranational Indonesia 2019. Thank you.
Big applause for Jessica Fitriana. Sesuai dengan Putri Indonesia Pariwisata yang disandang Jessica Fitriana Martasari, tercipta makeup palette